eggplant, it absorbs everything. So in order to avoid that, when you like heat it into oil, you have to actually salt it and let it sit for like 5-10 minutes.
Good to know.
Yes. And we're going to make it tiny so that we can stuff it in with our ricotta and it'll be part of our filling.
Yay!
Yay.
Yum.
You really like eggplant, don't you?
I do.
I do too. It's good.
Although it usually does not look like that when I eat it.
No, I'm making it different than most people. I'm kind of going off of just...
You improv that shit out.
I'm improvising this shit right now. So, I don't know how this is actually going to turn out, but we'll see. Oh, do you want music? We can put it on after.
Sure.
We can play 80s.
Yes, of course.
Of course, the best generation for music. Videos, that is. And whatever eggplant we want, we can also add it to the sauce. Do you want to do this?
No, you do it.
You're going to do the next one.
I can do butternut squash, but...
Oh, yeah, you can do butternut.
That's the only one I've worked with so far.
You've worked with butternut squash, but not eggplant?
Yeah.
Eggplant's so much easier. Butternut squash is actually hard. Because it's so tough.
Yeah, it really is.
This is our dinner. You understand? Our dinner.
We are, like, roughing it.
Rough and tough. How do college students do it? This is how they do it. Do you watch Dance Moms?
No, I refuse. My friend
God.
Jasmine does, though.
I love it. They that. They have Dance Moms Miami now.
No.
Yes. When you're in New York, I hate New York kitchens. They're so tiny. So, you put it on a paper towel.
Oh, if we had been where I'm going to be living next year, you would have liked it. The kitchens are big. They have like 4 ovens. Because it's community make your own food, so, but it's still pretty big.
Wait, you're sharing it with how many people though?
No, it's a single room. But, like, the kitchens are downstairs.
Yeah, but the kitchen is a community kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, that's different. Because then you're going to have more of a mess.
Well, no. It was actually super clean when I went.
Oh, good. Do they have, like, a cleaning person?
Yeah, but they also make sure that everyone does their own shit.
Oh, good. Okay. We can do a casino later. Do you think that's enough eggplant? Okay. I'll just have the other one for myself. It'll also help. The salt absorbs the moisture, and so that's what counteracts the sponginess of it all. Okay. Oh, I should take my shoes off. Okay, so my roommate is OCD clean like you, so she really wants us to clean the kitchen after we do this.
Well, she needs to start dusting if she is. Is she here?
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
I don't think so. I don't. She's usually watching TV or you can hear her music. I don't think either of them are here. I think I hear someone. Oh, maybe it's. Well, you might be hearing outside. I think you're a little.
Should I, like, prop this phone up against something?
Huh?
I'm gonna see if I can prop the phone up against something.
Okay. What can you see is the thing.
I was like, don't throw anything away.
Just the skin. The skin is edible, by the way, but we're just not using it. Do you want to keep a bag?
No.
You're more than welcome. Okay. Did it work?
No.
Well, there can be times where you're not filming too. Like if you get tired, don't worry about it. Did you know that when you cook pasta, well, at least in Italy, they like to have their water as salty as the sea. It helps to season it. You need to season everything.
I hate salt.
Oh, you're in the wrong kitchen. I love salt. And lemon.
Yay, final cut. What is this?
The pasta water.
No, it's a garlic. Or an onion.
Oh, it's an onion.
I don't really know the difference. No, I do know the difference.
They're both, I mean, they have similar qualities because they're used as like kind of a base and a seasoning in a way. Whenever you're putting a flame under a bowl, you want to make sure the flame doesn't come out from under the bowl.
I didn't know that.
Because if it is, you could easily burn yourself. We don't want that. Look, you'll be able, because you're filming this, you'll be able to make this for your mom. Would your mom eat this?
No, my mom doesn't eat pasta.
That's what I was about to say.
She's anti-pasta.
She's anti-carb.
Yeah, she really is.
That's horrible, actually. It's not good for you. Because it just really, like, you won't be able to digest them if you do that.
Well, I mean, she eats some, but
I don't know.
she eats bran. It looks like rabbit food.
It is like rabbit.
I know. She makes French onion soup, and I hate it because the whole house smells like onion. I'm like,
You hate yourself.
no, it's my eyes.
Oh, yeah. Apparently, the sharper, I read somewhere once, like, if your knife is, like, perfectly sharp, it shouldn't make you cry. Because it just slices through so cleanly. The problem is that I do not have a sharpener, so this knife is going to get dull till I go home. Sad.
We could get you a rock.
Yeah, you could give me a rock. But I don't know how to do it with a rock, and I wouldn't want to ruin the one knife I have here. They didn't have, all they had when I got here, this. I wanted to scream. I was like, what do you do with that? I brought so much cooking stuff with me. And look.
Those are cute.
Cut myself. Thanks. Do you want to smash some garlic? Have you ever done it?
With the...
No.
No, not by my hands, I can.
I'll teach you. It's so much fun.
I have one of those things that you... a presser.
No, you're going to like this better. Okay.
Wow.
So, here's how you find good garlic. The tighter your clothes, I don't think this one's very good. The tighter it is to pull it off, the fresher the garlic actually is. So, here's why you are going to love garlic. Like, it's my favorite thing to do. Other than, like, punching dough. So.
Punching what?
Dough.
Oh, I like punching people.
Yeah, I know you're going to like this. Okay, so come here.
No, you do it first.
Okay, you'll do the second one. Garlic, stable.
Ah!
So much fun. Take your aggression out of the garlic. Okay, here. The tree. Brooke's gonna do it. Brooke's gonna do it.
I'm gonna kill it.
Okay.
One.
Wait.
Sorry.
It's there. Wait, move your head. Okay, red. Just do it. Yeah, you got it.
I did it the best.
You did it. Well, let's compare.
I squished mine twice, though.
I know you cheated. It's okay. It worked. Ta-da!
Yay!
Yay! You did something.
I did.
How did it feel?
It felt powerful.
Doesn't it? You want to chop it?
This is a baby eggplant.
Isn't it so cute? It's so cute. I like how we're talking and doing all this stuff, and who knows if it's actually going to make it in.
We don't want to kill the baby eggplants. A pot.
Yeah, I don't have the saute pan I have is so tiny I cannot use it for all of this crap. By the way, when I do salt the pasta water, you will not be able to taste
No, I
the
know
salt.
that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just making sure we were clear on that.
EVOO.
EVOO.
That's a Rachel Ray thing.
I hate it. I really hate Rachel Ray. She does so much. Yeah, that's enough. We get the lime and just shake it down. So we make the filling. Now we're gonna make the sauce. We're gonna put it all together. We have pasta.
Yay.
Yay. I'll get the music. You got a little break. We need some jam.